Hey guys, it's me and Aubrey today. We're besties, and we're going to do a mukbang, or whatever, a mukbang or something. A mukbang. Are you serious? And, yeah, so there's these, and these are hot wings. So, yeah, and I've got some ranch, because we can. And, so yeah, let's...
That's not going to get very many likes now that YouTube.
Yes, they do. They get many likes.
Okay. I'm showing what we eat.
Yeah, that's what people do.
Now we're likes.
Okay. Oh, like Charlotte. Why am I eating this?
Our likes are going to go.
No.
Okay, I kind of like celery, but not much.
Nobody's going to like this video now.
Okay, I've got a spicy wing.
Spicy wings are good. I like sour.
This is good. Guys, you should eat this. You should. It's from Applebee's. Wings with ranch are delicious. You can double dip. Okay. Okay, oh no, this is stuck. This is stuck in the ranch.
Are we going to do a video?
Okay guys, this got stuck in the ranch.
Aubrey, hey.
Okay, I'm eating it.
Aubrey, my dad was calling.
Okay, hold on.
Okay, sorry, but we're back, and I had to talk to my dad for a second. So, yeah, and we're still going.
Okay. Oh my gosh, look at this one. It looks like a C for Chloe. A C for Chloe. Okay, thanks.
Whatever.
My hands are slippery.
So am mine.
This is good. This is so good.
But it's also spicy. It's not that spicy.
Chloe! I hurt myself. Okay, guys. Should we end? Yes, end it. Okay. We're gonna end the video here.
No!
Hit that like button.
And subscribe. You should definitely get this to eat at Applebee's with ranch and celery, because when your mouth is burning, you need celery to cool it down. Bye.